gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
The FlyCart 200 arrives as a major leap forward in the world of transport drones, making an immediate impact with its powerful flagship performance. Built to push limits and maximize carrying capability, this next-generation drone is designed for demanding transport operations and higher efficiency across a wide range of scenarios. At the core of the FlyCart 200 is a coaxial dual-rotor setup combined with a brand-new 120-volt high-voltage platform. This advanced system boosts its stabilized payload capacity to an impressive 200 kilograms while delivering a flight range of up to 36 kilometers and reaching speeds as high as 25 meters per second. The result is faster, more capable aerial transport designed for serious workloads. The FlyCart 200 arrives as a major leap forward in the world of transport drones, making an immediate impact with its powerful flagship performance. Built to push limits and maximize carrying capability, this next-generation drone is designed for demanding transport operations and higher efficiency across a wide range of scenarios. At the core of the FlyCart 200 is a coaxial dual-rotor setup combined with a brand-new 120-volt high-voltage platform. This advanced system boosts its stabilized payload capacity to an impressive 200 kilograms while delivering a flight range of up to 36 kilometers and reaching speeds as high as 25 meters per second. The result is faster, more capable aerial transport designed for serious workloads. Safety has also received a massive upgrade. The FlyCart 200 features a fully enhanced protection system with 11 safety sensors, a 7-eye vision setup, millimeter wave radar, and an all-new 256-line LiDAR system. Together, these technologies improve surface detection strength by 1.5 times and increase small object detection performance by 5 times. By continuously recording terrain and obstacles in real time, the drone creates a global perception map that enables smarter cargo obstacle avoidance and safer operation overall. Rear-mounted tri-eye vision further strengthens anti-interference performance through SS technology, allowing for more precise positioning even in challenging environments. The dual FPV camera system offers a broader and clearer live view, while also supporting up to 5x zoom for improved visibility during operations. To make loading and unloading safer, the FlyCart 200 includes a built-in loudspeaker capable of remotely warning pedestrians and alerting nearby personnel about terrain conditions. In emergency situations, the drone's depth-sensing light and protective net canopy can automatically deploy to help protect both people and property. The FlyCart 200 is also equipped with a flagship air conditioning system and an active hook mechanism with electric opening and closing. Heavy cargo loading and unloading can be handled at speeds of 1.2 meters per second, while automatic deceleration during cargo entry and one-button unloading add extra convenience and peace of mind during operation. In addition, the FlyCart 200 supports the DL200 transport system, featuring a fixed 15-meter production line designed for cost-effective use. Every load system comes with 3 force sensors that automatically reduce cargo sway and provide real-time weight measurements, making transport management and settlement much easier. If cargo accidentally becomes tangled, a one-button untangling feature helps restore safe transport quickly. For communication and transmission, the new 8-antenna O4 image transmission system delivers a range of up to 40 kilometers. It also supports dual 4G enhanced image transmission, along with image transmission repeaters, ensuring a clear and stable connection even in environments with obstacles or heavy interference. The FlyCart 200 also supports dual control operation, allowing teams to work together more smoothly and efficiently. DJI AirSense has been upgraded as well, providing real-time warnings about nearby aircraft and drones to further improve flight safety. Battery performance has also been significantly improved, The FlyCart 200 now features a larger 46 amp-hour battery capacity and supports both dual battery and quad battery configurations, helping extend flight endurance while benefiting from faster and more efficient charging. The new C1800 charger comes equipped with an advanced air-cooling heat dissipation system, helping maintain stable performance during demanding operations. Its dual battery fast charging capability supports multiple charging devices at the same time, making it flexible enough for a wide variety of use cases. DJI has also added a base-mounted cooling system that keeps the charger running continuously even in extreme temperatures, ensuring valuable time isn't lost during emergency rescue missions. The FlyCat 200 also supports optional dual gimbal brackets and works seamlessly with DJI H30 series and S1 mounts. Installation is quick and simple thanks to its plug-and-play design. With dual PSDK interfaces on board, the drone can also connect to third-party payloads, unlocking additional features and expanding its range of applications. When it comes to handling heavier transport tasks, the FlyCat 200 takes things even further with multi-aircraft collaborative operation. It can coordinate up to 4 aircraft working together at once, boosting the maximum transport capacity to an incredible 600 kilograms. Multiple formation modes are supported, and the entire operation can still be managed by a single operator. At the same time, built-in multi-aircraft obstacle avoidance helps keep formation flights safe and reliable. The FlyCat 200 can intelligently adjust the position and spacing between aircraft automatically, helping maintain balanced payload distribution during transport. It also supports one-click switching for tether deployment and retraction, making coordinated multi-aircraft missions smoother than ever and opening the door to a whole new generation of aerial transport. On the software side, the DJI Delivery app has been heavily optimized specifically for transport operations. It supports flight trajectory recovery, along with automated loading and unloading point functions. Packed with intelligent features like smart route navigation, the updated DJI app makes operation easier while significantly improving overall efficiency. The platform delivers a complete integrated solution for work data settlement, equipment management, and after-sales support, helping teams collaborate more effectively across every stage of operation. DJI Private Transport is fully compatible with the FlyCat 200 as well, allowing operators to monitor flight status in real time, manage multiple aircraft missions, and oversee the entire transport process from start to finish. It's designed to handle everyday transportation tasks more efficiently while adding important safety tools like multi-aircraft conflict alerts, automatic route verification, and real-time environmental signal in wind speed monitoring. Safe, powerful, and intelligently designed, the new FlyCat 200 transport drone is built to redefine aerial logistics, rising above the clouds and overcoming every challenge along the way. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.